welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this ICF coach over here. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, let's add some swift loops over here closer to it. So when we just smoothen this, it looks much proper. So I'll just go over here and I'll add some swift loops closer to it. So let's add this swift loops over here. So I can just add on putting this loops over here in this way. So this is a door section. Again we'll get the windows over here. So again I'll go over here slightly, I'll just push it in this way. Again I will use a swift loop. Alright, so select this polygon again, slightly give a bit of inset. Let's slightly extrude this a bit inside over here. And let's again take a swift loop. So I'm going to put this closer loops over here. So again I'll go over here, select the vertices, slightly push it over here. So this is your door section. Let's just shuffle this in this way, drag it over here. Oops, this is a door section. So I can just drag this over here and drag it. Again take one swift loop over here, put one here, so select the polygons, slightly give inset, extrude it, now I'll go over here. If you need it, I'll put one swift loop over here and one loop over here as well. So now if you go over here and say nubs toggle, you will see that it's giving you smoothness but one thing you don't get is like you need a loop over here as well. So I'll go into this. Let's add one over here. So it's going to take time whenever you're giving such details. I know it's going to be a bit high poly, but I'm maintaining the correct topology of it because I'm going to smoothen it. You need some kind of curved windows. So unless and until now, let's see. Yeah, this looks much better. As you can see, you get a bit round over here. So this roundness is maintained by this property. That's the loop what we are assigning over here. Again, take a swift loop, ring it, let's give connect. So instead of that, let's just ring it, let's give to connect, say 0, I'm sorry, make this as 0, slightly just push it at the corner, ring it, and let's give to connect. We can just select all these edges once, ring it all, let's give to connect, let's say OK. Alright. So once this is done, you see that I'll again go over here, let's again take a box over here, let's take a auto grid, so I'll go over here, I'll just make this as 1 over here, let's resize it, slightly just drag it inside, convert to editable poly, and select this edges, let's give 2 connects over here, just drag it over here, so push it a bit down, select this, just drag it down, so now what I can do over here is like shuffle it and let's attach it over here, select this polygon and I can just keep on bridging this. So select this, let's just bridge this all over here first. Select this, just bridge it. So I can go over here, I can slightly push this a bit out over here, select this, make it a bit straighter, yeah, now looks better. So let's again go over here, let's again take a box over here. So we do have a space over here, that's what we have created this. For the door section, I can just drag it, convert to poly, drag it a bit inside, push it up, push out. So we need to just select it in this way, select this edges, let's give two connects. Alright, it should be at the height of this. Similarly, the window correctly, select the edges, give two connects again, select the polygons, let's give a bit of inset, same what we are doing it for this windows. So I'll just select this, let's give extrude, extrude a bit inside, and isolate this. So select the vertices, let's go to the top view, drag it a bit inside and isolate. Let's use a swift loop, closer over here, closer over here. So drag it in this way, drag it on the top, drag it on the bottom and at the corner. So once this is done, we can also make this as smooth over here. So let's select this whole thing, let's just shift and drag, make sure we are correctly adjusting it, so that's very important. So push it over here in this way. All right. So again, make a copy of it. So let's select the vertices and let's drag it out. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.